Hey, it's paint day. Nathaniel's putting on the last little bit of some filler primer before we actually jam the doors. We're going to do it with just a single stage black enamel today. We're not sure what we're going to go with on the car itself yet, whether it's going to be a base coat, clear coat. But for now, for the ease of use, and because we're rookies and we don't have anybody here to really show us what the heck we're doing, we're going to go with single stage enamel and just run with that. If we go base coat, clear coat on the outside of the car, it'll still blend in just fine. I'm sure that a real painter out there would probably not do what we're doing, but we're not real painters. So anyway, pretty excited. Here we go. Okay, here we are. It's time to paint. Check out our janky paint booth. One open door and tarps everywhere. Taking up about a garage bay and a half, if you can tell. I've got the one door shut here and covered up because I don't want to paint my nice garage door. Floor was wet down. It's drying up a little bit. Car is taped off. Ready to go. We're getting ready to mix some paint right now. So here we go.
Like a mirror.
Is it?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, you know where your markings are on the side of the cup, right?
Kinda, yeah.
We're going to use the 4-to-1 because this is a 8-2-in-1 mix, so it's just easier to use the 4-to-1 right here. Mm-hmm. Take it up to 5 with your, or I'm sorry, to 6 with your paint, up to 6 again with your reducer, and then up to 6 again with your hardener over there. Okay? Just watch it. It's going to spill right outside the pan or can.
Yeah, like that.
Just like that, yeah. It's tough when it's full though.
Yeah.
There you go, you figured it out. This is a reducer, just up to the next 6. You can go a little bit below it too if you want. I was told that this stuff sprays better when it's a little bit thicker.
All right.
See how your fan is and your pressure.
Pretty wide.
It's thicker on top though. Did you hold it steady up against that?
Yeah, I did.
You had it at an angle. It's actually not bad.
Oh, yeah?
Fan wise. But you notice how it's still spraying past the time you, is it sticking?
Well, it's not, but yeah, I think it is slightly.
Yeah, daggone it. I may need to clean that gun.
That's okay.
I know, but it shouldn't stick like that. We don't have time to do much about it, though. Well, that looks fine, dude. Let's get going. Not glad that it's sticking, but it's not going to hurt us.
Yeah.
This means we'll have to clean it really well before the next coat. All right, go for it, dude. Oh, dude, that looks so good already. This gets me excited. It's just a door jam. I'm done. All right, I'm done painting. It's a little bit foggy in here. I just got done a few minutes ago, but results are pretty good. Kind of hard to see. I'll turn the camera around here. Probably doesn't look too much different than the last time, but the second coat really makes a big difference. And this time I got the doors done. Those turned out pretty well. Hatchback area, all the way down. I didn't really need to paint this back part, but I had a little bit of paint left over, so I did. Because the rest of the car was already covered pretty well. I didn't want to overdo it, make it run. The store jam turned out pretty well. Had a couple fish eyes here and there. I think there was a couple spots that we got in a hurry about and just forgot to run some wax and grease remover on it. But it's okay. We can redo that. We can sand it and redo it later if we need to. But for now, it looks pretty doggone good. Oh, got some tape in a bad spot right there. Oh well, we'll touch that up. Yeah, some of this tape is already sticking. Here we go. Wow, look at the contrast of that black and red. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Yeah, tape is hardening a little bit and already having a hard time coming up. You definitely would have had a problem come next Wednesday. I'll get that tape later. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, buddy. Get some more tape off of there. Nope. Missed a little bit. That's all right. We don't care. All right. Woohoo! Look at the contrast. How crazy is that? Got a little bit on the edge here still, but that's fine. That'll all get painted soon. This was fun. Always love painting. Hate that Nathaniel couldn't be here for the very end of it, but it's okay. We still learned. We learned what not to do. We learned what to do. We both got to do a little painting. That was kind of fun, something different. And that's what the purpose of this channel is, right? Welcome back. Today's going to be a fun day because we're going to put this back together. Well, we got a little mess to clean up here first, but it's looking pretty good. We got the thing jammed last time. Pretty proud of how that turned out. And today is going to be fun. Right? Yeah. Yeah. Let's get busy. We're going to try to get this front end on here since it's the closest and easiest to get to at the moment. And that's the most difficult.
The front fenders need to be on first?
They do. Yeah, they sure do. All right, change plans. Front fender's on first, then the nose. There's an order that has to be done here to make this work. Here we go. Oh, by the way, you might be asking yourself, why are we having to change the front end on this car? Well, let me show you why. All those pieces there that we used chemical stripper on it and melted every single one of them. Kind of like pouring water on the Wicked Witch of the East. Anyway, bad joke. Man, that looks good. See you, bud. Have fun.